This is the worst beat. Hey my little Christmas elves. It's Christmas, bitch. And what do you think to my new intro? Is it festive enough for you?
Like you were naughty this year because you got a bad bitch for Christmas.
Oh my god, I'm such a weirdo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. If you've been here before, girl, let's get into the video. Today, I'm going to be decorating my trees. So, well, I'm going to decorate one tree at least. I'm going to unpack loads of Christmas bits and we're just going to go with it. So I've been at work, I came back, I put a little bit of fresh slap on for you guys only, okay? And yeah, I don't know why I got so much energy, girl. Let's get into what I want to do with the trees this year. So this year we're in a new house, so it's a whole new decorating situation. All the stuff we had before is where are we going to put it, what's going to happen, what's going to go wow, nobody knows. I want to put the fake tree in the hallway where that giant vase is, the blue one, and I want to do like a pink theme. So I ordered a load of bits off eBay, like decorations and stuff. I also have this, so I bought this tinsel here. It's like pinky purple tinsel. And I also bought this one here. It's kind of like a coral colour. It looks like a holographic AB colour. So if I put them next to each other, you can see the colours. This one looks really coral and this one looks pink. So I bought these and I ordered some bits off eBay, which I'll put a picture here of one that I ordered. So I ordered some, what did I order? I ordered some like pointy droplets. And I also ordered pink beads for it as well. I want to get a really nice tree topper. I don't know what tree topper I want to get though. I want to get something really, really cute. You know, the old-fashioned ones that are like a ball, and a point. I have a star and stuff, so I'm looking around to find a cute one. I wish when I was in Germany last year, I picked one up with my boyfriend, but when I was there, I was like, what the hell is this? I've never seen these before, but now I know what it is. I understand, but I didn't understand then, but now I do. Yeah, I'm on the hunt for one of them, so if you find one, link it below because, girl, I'm looking for one. Hopefully in pink or something. Yeah, gosh, I need to breathe. I'm talking so quick. So really, we're just going to be chilling today, putting the tree up, getting ready together because it's Christmas, it's festive. So, yeah, I'm wishing you all Merry Christmas already, honey. So, Merry Christmas, beautiful, because you are gorgeous. And you're what? Merry. I also want to wish everyone who is not celebrating Christmas, but is just celebrating in general. So happy holidays to everybody else out there as well. It's important we acknowledge this. But without further ado, let's get decorating. So I think I want to put it here. The staircase is like, oh, you can't see. It comes up and around. So I think, oh, I have to move this big vase. You can see, move the vase. And then build it here. This is the worst bit. I hate building the tree. It hurts my hands. And I moan. But girl, we're gonna do it. Oh, this has white. I forgot this has white tips. Look. Like frosted tips. Remember when everyone had this on their hair? Like, hey, it's the 90s. I have frosted tips. Oh no, it's not even together. So everything is just... Ugh. I'll see you in about 6 hours. Basically, if none of you have ever had an artificial tree, when you buy it, you see the colours on the ends. They have all different colours, and this signifies how big it is. That's my dad watching TV downstairs. You can hear all that fucking noise. This is my dad. And that's the top. Ah! No! No! Oh. There we go.